What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pay your BillEase loan using QRPh with GCash app. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly pay your BillEase loan here through the GCash app with QRPh? Well, this one is fairly easy. So first is first, you want to go and open up your BillEase account here. Go and open up the BillEase app, log in, and you want to go to your installments at the very bottom here. Now, once you've chosen the installment that you want to pay, what you need to do is you want to go customize a few things here. So for example, you want to go ahead and basically specify how you want to pay for this one. Like if you want to pay using your next installment, or pay all your installments, or pay a custom amount here. But once you specify that, click on the pay now at the very bottom of your screen. Now from here, as you can see, we are now going to see the QRPh page, which in this case, you should get this QR code. Now you just need to click on the download QR here, since we'll be using this in the GCash app later on. But in this case, if you want to change to a different payment method, you can go and click on select other payment methods here. But then again, we are going to by default use the QRPh QR code here. So yeah, open up the GCash app here, log in into your account, and you want to go and click on the QR button you see at the bottom center of your screen. Now from here, you just need to click on upload QR. And to be speaking, you should be able to upload the photo that we just recently downloaded via the BillEase app. Now, once you've chosen that and used that as a reference here for paying something in GCash, you just need to confirm a few things, like, for example, your GCash account here, your current available balance, and also the amount due here. Also, you can add like discounts if you want, if you have those. And also, just click on pay at the very bottom here to confirm your transaction, confirm a few things, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.